What's up, y'all, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with FoodPRO. Today we're going to be preparing grilled sweet chili chicken lettuce wraps with a roasted corn and black bean quinoa salad. The star of this month's show is item number 25223, which is a 6-ounce chicken cutlet from Crestview, and FoodPRO item number 64335, which is a sweet chili fusion sauce from Roland. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start by making our brine for our pickled Fresno peppers. What I have here is 2 cups of rice wine vinegar mixed with 2 cups of water, equal parts, a quart of liquid. I've got a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of kosher salt. And I have 4 cloves of garlic that I've peeled and just crushed a little bit with my knife. And I'm going to throw that on in there as an aromatic. I'm just going to boil this. Once it's done boiling, we'll pour it over our julienne Fresno peppers, and that'll be it for the pickled peppers. Alright, so now that we've boiled our brining liquid, go ahead and prepare our peppers. Now these are Fresno peppers, very similar to a jalapeno. It's red, and it's a little bit spicier. Some people, when they're pickling peppers, will cut them into greens. I've decided against that because I've already made a batch of these for flavor. For this one, I'm just going to order it